All right, I'm gonna teach you how to make a 4-image collage for an eBay listing right now. Step 1, type in free Spark Collage Maker inside of Google. It's gonna bring up spark.adobe. I'll put a link in the description. Hit that button. After you hit that button, you're gonna be asked to either sign in. It's a Google account, it's completely free. Then you're gonna hit design your free collage now. All right, and you're gonna pick a square, hit next, and then upload your photos. Pick 4 images that you have downloaded for your product. So I'm gonna pick these. And I'm gonna open it. Boom. Then you hit next. It's gonna start working and creating collage for you. Boom. Okay, so I created a collage. There's different kinds of templates you can use with this collage, right? If you go ahead and pick one template that you like and then move around the pictures in an appealing way and make them kind of fit inside the boxes. And you notice this little watermark right here. If you have a premium version of Adobe, you can pretty much remove that watermark or add your own. If you don't and you want to be free and cheap, which is cool, you can just move the bottom image up, right? Bada bing. And once you're done, you download it, save the download, and you crop out this bottom section in whatever free tool you want. If you're on a computer, you're going to use Paint. If you're on Mac, you'll probably just use, the photo editor or, some other editor if you have Photoshop or Corel. That's it. Then you upload this and you're good to go. Anyways, like, subscribe, hit me.